Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this spicy and delicious chicken pakoras. This is super easy to make and it's very delicious and soft and moist chicken. If you're new to my channel or you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now and welcome to my channel. Let's get started with this delicious chicken pakora and I'll show you step by step how to make this. Here I have 1.5 pounds of chicken breast. I've cut them into small bite pieces. You can make the sizes bigger or smaller depending on your desire. Now you can use breast or even the thighs. Here I have 1.5 tablespoon chili powder or more as per your taste. Here I have 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon cardamom powder, green cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Here I have fennel seed, 1 teaspoon, but you want to crush it, that is also fine. I'm using the whole fennel seed, but if you want to crush it, just go ahead and do that. 1 teaspoon cumin powder and salt as needed. I'm going to go ahead and add all the spices into the chicken, and we are going to add 1 tablespoon ginger paste and 1 tablespoon garlic paste. Go ahead and add them to the chicken mixture and also juice of half a lemon. I'm using a medium size of a lemon, so just make sure it's not too much of a lemon, then the pakoras will be very sour. Here I have 2 tablespoon curry leaves finely chopped, green chilies as needed. I'm using around 4 to 5 green chilies finely chopped with the seeds, up to you. 1/4 cup of cilantro loosely packed, finely chopped. Here I have 1/4 cup of curd or yogurt, any kind of yogurt. Here is my secret ingredient. I have 2 tablespoons of red pepper paste. Basically what I've done, I've taken the peppers and I've roasted them in the oven and I've made them into a smooth paste. Now I'm going to mix them until the chicken is well combined with the mixture. To this I'm adding 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour or besan, 1/4 cup of rice flour. Now if you want to marinate your chicken before we add all kind of flour, please go ahead and marinate the chicken at least for an hour. And then we will add the flour mixture. Then go ahead and add them to the preheated oil on a medium-high heat. Now you want to cook the chicken until the chicken is cooked through and also it has this beautiful golden color outside. As you can see, we have not added any kind of food color, but because we added the red peppers, it has given this beautiful colors. Now in the same oil, once I fried the chicken, I'm adding the cashews, 8 to 10 cashews and handful of curry leaves to splatter and the cashews to get golden brown, and just add it on the chicken and it's ready to be served. You can serve them as a side dish or as the appetizer or evening snack. It's super delicious and super easy to make. If you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe below. I will see you soon in my next video with the new recipe. Till then, take care guys. Bye.